Thank you.
Kunin niyo na lang yung kandila, mami. Tapos ilipan niyo.
Kunin yung kandila. Get the candle and the blow. Blow. Blow, wish and then the blow. Sige, go. Wish and blow. Wish and blow.
Lapit niyo yung candle, huwag niyo siya.
Yay! Ito, mahilahin nyo itong happy birthday na to.
Sa baba, sa baba, sa baba, sa
Ah, dito sa base. Kunin nyo itong base.
Happy birthday to me.
Hilahin nyo, hilahin nyo. Oy! Uy, ano yan? Wow! Oh, wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my gulay! Oh, ang haba! Wow!
Uy, ang dami.
Hilahin nyo pataas. Oh. Itaas nyo. OMG! Thank,
Dami pa rin.
say thank you to the gift givers.
Thank you very much.
Oh my gosh! That's unlimited.
Oh my God.
Oh, sige.
Non-stop.
Oh, wow!
Ayaw matanggal.
Oh, sige pa, hila pa. Anda.
Thank
Oh.
you. Thank
Kailangan. Wali, I have Lola.
ang babae.
Mami!
Pull, pull. Hila, hila. Oh my gosh.
Ayaw.
Yan! Oh my gosh. O yan, mami. Oh, tapos sila.
Wow.
Thank you. Ayaw bang
Just to tell everybody watching, this is Cakes by Daisy.
Salamat naman.
And a lot of money from loving friends.
Oh my God, thank you sa inyo lahat. God bless sa inyo lahat.
Again, Cakes by Daisy. Wow! OMG! Say thank you sa mga nagbigay ng cake. Yeah.
Nagbigay ng cake at saka yung nagbigay ng surprise.
Happy birthday. Wow naman. Yeah. Wow na. Oh, ang dami niya na.
Dami nito.
Okay, say thank you to God for all the blessings.
Thank you.
Ito, ano nagbigay niya?
Yeah, thank you, Jamil, Chris, Pam, Joy Me. Thank you to all of you.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, say thank you.
Yan po yung regalo nila sa inyo kahapon.
Salamat.
Yay! Thank you. Okay, happy birthday, ma. Ayan.
Salamat.
And this one will be pwedeng alkansya.
Oo nga.
Thank you.
Especially kay Beth. Non-stop. Wala siyang pahinga.
Okay, thank you guys. Love you, ma. Happy birthday.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Okay, flying kiss na kayo. Ito to, flying kiss. Yay! Thank you, everybody.